Your bedroom can be clean and still feel meh. Most of the time, it's the walls. In this video, we're talking PVC wall panels bedroom designs, a fast way to make your room look more premium without a full renovation. We'll cover the most popular styles, where to place them for the best impact, how lighting changes the look, and the common mistakes that make panels look cheap. If you want that hotel-style feature wall vibe, this is the shortcut. Wait, before you scroll, in the next chapters, I'm going to show you the exact PVC panel styles that make a bedroom look like a luxury hotel, plus the biggest mistakes that instantly make panels look cheap. If you stay to the end, you'll know which design fits your room size, lighting, and vibe, so you don't waste money on the wrong finish. If this is useful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a room upgrade. Also, what city are you watching from? Drop it in the comments. PVC wall panels are decorative wall coverings made from polyvinyl chloride. They're lightweight, come in tons of finishes, and can create a clean, finished look quickly. Many options are moisture resistant and easy to wipe down, which is great for everyday living. The key is choosing decent quality panels so they don't warp, the surface doesn't look overly glossy, and the seams can be installed tight and clean. Good panels look refined, bad panels look plastic. Why do PVC panels work so well in bedrooms? Because bedrooms need calm, but they also need a focal point. A panel feature wall behind the bed instantly makes the space feel designed. Panels add texture, and texture is what makes a room look expensive more than paint alone. They also help reduce the empty wall feeling and can soften harsh echoes slightly. The best part? You can upgrade the look without demolishing anything. Design 1, fluted or vertical slat panels. These give a modern, high-end look and make your room feel taller. The best placement is the wall behind the headboard, extending a bit wider than the bed so it feels intentional. Choose warm neutrals like beige, soft gray, or walnut tones. For an even more premium look, add a thin frame detail on the edges. This style is clean, trendy, and hard to mess up. Design 2. Marble look PVC panels for a luxury vibe. The trick is restraint. Use marble on one wall only, usually behind the bed or near a vanity area. White marble with subtle veins feels bright and modern. Dark marble feels dramatic and moody. Keep the rest of the bedroom simple. Solid bedding, minimal decor, and warm lighting. If everything is busy, marble can make the room feel heavy and smaller than it is. Design 3. Wood grain PVC panels for a cozy, warm bedroom. This is one of the safest choices if you want a natural look with low maintenance. Use it as a full feature wall behind the bed or as half-wall paneling for a softer effect. Pair it with warm white or grayish paint on the other walls. Add soft textiles, linen, knit throws, warm lamps, and the room instantly feels calmer and more inviting. Design 4. 3D geometric PVC panels for a bold statement wall. Think waves, hexagons, or repeating raised patterns. The best way to make this look expensive is to keep it one color so the shadows do the work. Matte white, sand, or light gray looks clean and modern. Side lighting is everything here. Wall lamps or angled light will highlight the texture and make it feel like a designer feature, not just a pattern. Design 5, two-tone paneling, where panels cover the bottom half of the wall and paint finishes the top. This gives a structured, classic modern look and makes the bedroom feel tidy. A common height is around 90 to 120 centimeters, but you can adjust to match your bed and furniture. Choose a soft panel tone, then a lighter paint above. This style works especially well in smaller bedrooms because it adds detail without overcrowding the space. Now the secret weapon, lighting. PVC panels can look average or expensive depending on how they're lit. Add warm LED strip lighting behind the headboard or along the top edge for a soft glow. Wall sconces on both sides of the bed can make fluted and 3D textures pop. Avoid harsh, cool white lighting. It can make finishes look shiny and plastic. Warm lighting makes wood tones richer and marble veins look more natural. Placement is everything. If you don't know where to start with the bed wall. Panels should frame the bed, not stop awkwardly in the middle of furniture. Avoid covering every wall with panels. Bedrooms can start feeling tight and visually noisy. In small rooms, even 60 to 80% coverage behind the bed can look amazing. In larger rooms, going floor to ceiling behind the headboard creates a tall, dramatic hotel-style effect. Installation details decide whether your wall looks premium or cheap. The surface should be dry and relatively flat. Most panels are installed with adhesive or on a simple frame system. Seams must be clean and aligned. Messy joints ruin the look instantly. Leave small expansion gaps where needed so panels don't bulge over time. Plan around outlets and switches carefully so cutouts look precise. And for bedrooms, choose low-odor materials and quality adhesive. PVC wall panels are easy to maintain. Wipe gently, avoid abrasive cleaners, and don't let moisture sit for long periods. The bigger takeaway is this: the best design is the one that matches your vibe: cozy, modern, luxury, or minimal. If you want the safest premium look for almost any bedroom, fluted panels or warm wood grain panels are usually the winners. Now tell me, what style would you pick? Fluted, marble, wood, 3D, or two-tone?